Friedrich Ductless Split Systems, designed for both commercial and residential use, offer customers flexibility, energy efficiency, and superior performance. However, because of the technical nature of ductless split systems, installation is very complex and best performed by a certified installation professional. Wall-mounted Friedrich Ductless Split Systems are available in single and multi-zone configurations that condition up to 4 different zones. It is critical that professional installation is performed to provide the highest level of system performance. Professional installation ultimately helps avoid various and often serious problems that may occur with a faulty installation. Consequences can include costly repairs, system malfunctions, system failure, property damage, and safety hazards. Professional installation also ensures compliance with your warranty guidelines. Requirements for professional installation include properly calculating of cooling and heating load, providing a safe electrical wiring system, identifying proper system configuration and placement, accurate drilling and mounting, charging the refrigerant line, preventing possible leakage from flare fittings. Friedrich Ductless Split Systems are incredibly quiet, sleek, and energy efficient. By using a certified professional for installation, your system will achieve the highest level of system performance. To locate a certified installation professional for your system, ask your local Friedrich distributor or visit our website at friedrich.com for more information.